AI versus AI in cybersecurity. Detect, respond, prevent. This is a real cybersecurity lab. Step 1. Recognize first. We scan the network using NAP to discover all devices. NAP-S192.168.1.0/24. AI does this automatically at scale. Find all devices on the network. Step 2. Deep scan. NAP A192.168.1.10. Now we analyze one device, open ports, services, and possible vulnerabilities. Open ports equals possible entry points. Step 3. Traffic analysis. Next, we monitor live traffic using Wireshark to detect suspicious behavior. AI compares normal traffic with unusual spikes and instantly detects anomalies. Watch the network in real time. Example overlay. Unknown IP gives. Step 4. AI detection. If traffic greater than normal, print anomaly detected. AI compares normal traffic with unusual spikes and instantly detects anomalies. Behavior analysis normal, 50 attack, 300. -S terminal blocking IP. Linux firewall rule iptables -AI MPUT -S192.168.1.50 -J drop. Block the threat instantly. Add a rule to block ALL incoming traffic from the IP address 192.168.1.50. Let's do step-by-step breakdown. -A input. Append, add this rule to the input chain. Input equals traffic coming into your device. -192.168.1.50. Source IP address. The traffic is coming from this IP. -J drop. Jump to action equals drop. Silently discard the packets. No response back. What actually happens? Device 192.168.1.50 tries to reach you. Your system ignores it completely. No reply, no error. Just gone. This is more stealthy than reject. DROP versus reject. Great real moment. Drop. Silent. Attacker gets nothing. Reject. Sends access denied response. Once detected, the system blocks the attacker automatically. Block the threat instantly. The attacker automatically. AI doesn't replace cybersecurity professionals. It makes them faster, smarter, and unstoppable. The question is, who's faster? Keep watching AI and AI Cybersecurity because there's a lot more to come. Your future in cybersecurity starts here. Goodbye.